And just to tell you a little bit more info, this guy, I found him on Nextdoor, sent him a cold SMS message, and then pretty much got him to agree to an in-person demo. He lived about 13 minutes away from me, so not far. So what he does is just pretty much commercial renovations for businesses. So he's worked with franchises on getting their buildings redone. Crazy jobs. So I know he's definitely going to be a close. So let's see what we can do. Are you Dave?
Sorry?
Are you Dave?
No.
Oh, Dave's in there? Okay. Okay. Yeah, he knows I'm coming. He wanted me to. Yeah. I'm just gonna go in. Okay.
Come on in.
Dave, what's going on, man?
Living the dream, brother.
Love to hear it. Beautiful office, man. Beautiful office.
Yeah. They ain't even started yet.
Oh, on hooking it up fully?
We got another unit next door.
Yeah.
Which will cut through.
Nice.
We just moved in here.
Oh, okay. Where were you at before?
One of my properties I built.
Okay. Especially in your industry, is having good pictures on the website. Like we talked about on the phone, you know, people that are looking to get those big contracts done like you know, they're going to take a look at whether you have a website or not, which you do, but is it luxurious enough where it portrays the image of your business?
They really don't give a shit because they know me, but I want to have a nicer website.
Right, for sure. Yeah, so it makes sense. So we went ahead and built a sample. Now keep in mind, the colors can change, whatever the case is can change.
Here, no water.
Oh, thank you, I appreciate
No,
it.
I don't want water. I don't drink water.
What's his drink of choice? Usually.
Soda. He drinks soda all day.
Really? Okay.
Well, it's sugar free, but
Yeah, I like getting kidney stones.
Oh, big.
I like getting kidney stones and pissing them out. The pain's wonderful.
why so pleasant? What do you want?
I'm just a lovely individual.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So.
That's a sauce.
Oh. Yeah, I got the workers' hands.
If you want to call it
Ron and I will get out there. We'll work together.
Yeah.
Get out there. We don't have to say a word.
Really?
Because we each know what the other one's going to do, or we can look over and see what they're doing and just keep rolling. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So, like I said, this is just a rough draft sample. We just wanted to put something up there for you. So, like I said, we're gonna pull photos that you would send to us, and we would add them to the website. And again, this is for the future as well. So either one of you guys, you all just finish a big job and you want to send them over our way, you have my direct number. You can text me, call me, email me, whatever the case is. We'll get them added to the site, no problem. Not only just that, we'll go ahead and get a nice portfolio section going for you as well. So the things that you worked on, such as Gaddytown, or obviously you might want a bigger job than that, I don't know. But
those we'd take Winn-Dixie grocery store and add 15,000 feet to them.
yeah,
They were a pretty good sized job.
exactly. We can get that added to the site. Like
I don't
you,
do them anymore.
oh, whatever the case is, of whatever portfolio you want, so that way these people that visit your website can see like, hey, we did these types of jobs, and just kind of builds that trust and credibility with the viewer on the website. But we can definitely get that done. So you can see right here, we kind of did that, just added some pictures that kind of explains, you know, what you did there, commercial renovation, office, all those good different things. Who we worked with, you can see Gaddy, well, we put Gaddyland/town for those people that don't remember. And then you can see we got this one right here. But obviously we can expand this. Like I said, this is just a sample. Just wanted to provide, you know, a homepage for you guys. And also I wanted to ask you, as far as color schemes go, whenever we go ahead and build this out, I mean, were you trying to stay consistent?
Antonios or
Yeah.
projects or, you
So-
gotta click at the top to get it to pull up.
Right.
But here, flip through it real quick.
Okay. Scrolling down. So it's pretty short. That is one thing that I noticed.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so-
Introduction is, but you know, I did this by myself.
Oh, you did it by yourself? Okay.
I never built one of these damn things.
Right.
You're
You're-
gonna click on the little tabs at the top.
About. Okay. Yeah, I took a look at this earlier. I saw this about description. And yeah, I mean, there's just a lot of things that could be, you know, improved, like even just the images themselves. Now I'm sure you guys are like under contract, whatever the case is, so you know, you don't, some people say that they're limited to what they can show on the website, but I mean, you guys is that
Any damn thing I want. I don't sign any
right?
NDA. Probably the only NDA was the lobbyist for Abbott's bathroom.
Okay.
We did that one with the white.
Oh, you did Greg Abbott?
No, we did
A lobbyist.
a lobbyist.
Oh, a lobbyist for him.
Right across the.
Oh,
right
okay.
right across the street from the Capitol and
Nice.
the governor's mansion, and we had to build this bathroom for Abbott.
Oh, the governor has a mansion? I didn't even know that. I mean, I would assume, you know, how they, you know, yeah.
Oh yeah,
That's right across the street. And
Okay.
He visits that guy all the time, so we had to make a handicap bathroom for him.
Okay.
I mean, there's
Wow.
probably $75,000, $100,000 in that bathroom.
Wow. That is crazy. Well, yeah, so I mean,
We
well,
do. That hotel right there,
uh-huh.
the day we stood the first stud on that hotel, we opened it 364 days later for South by Southwest.
Nice. Nice.
All
Dude,
he
that,
did was sit on a fucking log for 364 days moving shit.
That's down by Montopolis.
Riverside and
okay.
we're
No.
getting ready to start one right across the street. That's the one that we just finished right over on Daisy Drive.
Right. Okay.
That one over there, that 904, that was a takeover. There's a contractor that was trying to do it, and the LCFO for Dell Computers
Mm-hmm.
had a funding company, and they funded it. They hired me to finish that.
Okay.
That's Copeland's in New Orleans and Lafayette. That's the hotel in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Mm-hmm. Portfolio?
That'll be in the completed.
Yeah, that'd be in the completed, yeah.
Testimonials.
Oh, yeah, testimonials. And you specialist, or specialty, sorry.
Gotta figure out how I'm gonna say it.
Okay.
Shit like this, I'd rather pay for.
For sure,
The
man.
reason being, I don't want to fucking bill every time.
Most definitely. I understand.
What?
Hey, cowboy, how are we gonna do it? The electrician is using the lift, you know.
Well, they shouldn't be using the lift all day. They should be just doing the service outside.
Okay, well, I don't know.
Yeah.
And then this has a dado on it.
Okay.
Like the dado at the bottom of the cabinet and dado of fusion clips at the bottom of the cabinet.
Nice,
Those
man.
guys never have to change saws. And that yellow saw there, we take and cut up stock. We cut up stock to the length of the interior doors, and those two machines cut the parts to the doors.
Mm-hmm.
We're fun. We have fun.
Yeah, man. Seems like it, Merrill. Good, nice shop, man. It looks very nice.
We're gonna cut a hole through there,
Yeah.
and all these saws will go over there. Everything you touch will be on that side.
Nice.
We'll sell this store for probably about $5 grand.
Woo!
Pick it up.
It was an honor to meet you, sir. I appreciate it. And I'll keep you updated. We'll be texting. We'll stay in contact. We'll get those photos.
Car you're driving.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I used to have an SRT Challenger, but it was an older one, SRT 2008. It was whenever they first started bringing them back. And then it started having electrical problems, and I was like, I just can get
Pay
something
cash
newer.
for that?
Yep.
Good job.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, Dave. Well, as always, man.
I give the other guys all the money.
Right. The banks, yeah.
Keep it.
Yeah,
Yeah, my truck's paid for. It's been paid for.
it's good.
I bought my girlfriend, fiance, whatever you want to call it, a
Uh-huh.
Land Rover, Land Rover.
Nice.
And I pay cash. I owe finance nothing. If I can't pay for it, I don't need it.
Right, exactly. Yes, sir.
What year's that one?
2021 AMG.
You buy it used?
Yeah. Yeah. Use. Yeah.
Let
Yes,
him
sir.
take it. Hey, buddy,
All right, man. Yeah, you too. Alrighty. And just like that, we closed them up. Well, that was a process. We will say that, but Dave is a great guy. Closed them. He paid a year up front. So now it's time to go and go ahead and get this project done. Douglas, man, what's going on?
How you doing?
Doing good, you? Good?
Speak Spanish, no?
Poquito, a little bit.
Sí, a mí también, más o menos.
Oh, yeah?
All right, sounds good.
Shop is now for the slow.
Okay.
I have that friend that is the work that caliber.
¿Cuántos años tú trabajas aquí?
2 years.
2 years.
2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only the maybe is the me here the here the 6 months. Only I after I have the work for the caliber.
Oh, okay.
Only the here in the orte, no, that fixes the car.
Right.
Uh-huh.
So you're the owner?
Yes.
Wow.
Very nice, man. You built something great. Is it the Starlink here, or what's the?
Yes.
Okay. Very nice. And then just wait for the. Okay, what's the password?
Guatemala?
Capital G?
No.
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 ¿Necesito usar el año?
Yeah, it's fine.
Let's see here. All right. So, you know that how you came through the ad? It was the one for this area, Hutto area.
Yes.
And you inquired through there. So, we're gonna honor that promotion of the setup fee being waived, which is normally anywhere from $500 to $1,000. That's getting completely waived. We don't have any contracts. It's just that we ask for 30 days notice if you are to cancel for whatever reason. Just let us know, and that's completely fine. And then let me show you someone that we actually do here in Texas, just so you can see the type of work that we do. They're located over in Amarillo, so take a look. They have 110 Google reviews, which is great, but you can kind of see the work that we kind of do here at Spark Growth. And so we're going to get you set up with contact forms, all good on your site. This customer didn't opt in for the live AI chatbot, but we can get that placed on your site. I know that's what you inquired about through the ad. And so pretty much anyone that comes onto your site, if they click on the live AI chatbot, just to show you an example of what it looks like, go ahead and pull this up. Whoops, mistyped. This is what it looks like. And it'll pop up right here. So anyone that comes through and they say, hey, can you do dent repair? Hey, can you take this ding out of my fender? They can reach out through here. And so let's say, you know, Douglas, you're busy at home, you just got off work, whatever the case is, and you can't get to that message. Within 5 minutes of them asking that question, AI will already be having a conversation with them. So it'll follow up with that lead. Hey, we can go ahead and take care of that. Or when you next available, whatever the case is, it'll prompt them to reach out to you. And all of this can be looked at in the mobile app. So we'll get you onboarded with that. So we'll give you a whole mobile app that you can look at and see all the leads that come through. With the contact forms, whenever someone submits them, you're not just sent an email, you get sent a text message as well. I'm sure you check your text messages more than your email, right? Yeah, I thought so. So yeah, we'll set that up. And then also the customer gets a text message and email letting them know that their voice has been heard and Douglas will be reaching out to you soon. So we take care of everything whenever it comes through to your website. We give you services. So just name some of the services you do. Ding repair, I'm pretty sure. You do paint correction, paintless ding repair, you know, all those different things. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and get all those different services listed. You can see for this company, you know, we have hail repair, dent removal, paintless dent removal. And what's really nice about our sites also is that we can give you service area pages. So Hutto, Round Rock, all those different ones, we can go ahead and get you ranking in those different areas as well. Now, do you have a lot of photos of work that you have done?
Yes, I have.
It wouldn't even be a, you know, like a really big expense for you. I mean, you know how much your jobs are worth. You get like, you know how much a dent job is. That can be anywhere from, you know, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a whole job, depending on what the job is. So, I mean, you make your money back if you wanted to do that. We get the whole process approved for you. We get that ad live and running. We upload the photos that are from, that you send to us. We get them added to it. We also give you a way to run Google reviews as well. So kind of like complete everything together for you. Is that something you want to do? I mean, we can set it up for you, or did you just want to
maybe for the
get the website started first? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, then let's go ahead and
My website is now for me not like
right.
that.
Yeah, all great work. You want to go?
Sand it all the way down. Yeah.
You want to airdrop those to me since I'm already here?
Might as well.
So that way we can get them added to the website.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You can do it right now. Yeah. That way we can have all that for the website and get them, posted on there. Because AirDrop works really good. Do you know what AirDrop is?
Send todo tus fotos to him.
Oh yeah.
And I'll get them on here.
Yeah. Okay.
You want me to do it or to show you?
Para tu website.
Did you want to send more? Or that was good.
Yes, I have more.
You can just text them to me, or you can do it now if you want.
Yeah.
It's up to you.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. All right. So then, so we'll go ahead and get started on everything. The website builds usually take anywhere from around 10 to 12 days. That's usually the time frame that we look at. You have my direct number. I'll keep you updated along the process. Now I'll go ahead and open up a doc, and I'll just take the services that you do, the service areas that you want to market to, and then we'll be all good to go, and then we can fill out the invoice, and we'll go ahead and get it started building it. All right.
Okay, only I have one question for I have that help me for the Google.
You want to do body dent repair? Like, just tell me the services that you want to do.
For a body repair and the dents and the PBR and fixes the alignment.
Alignment?
No, alignment.
Aluminum?
Yes.
Aluminum.
Oh, aluminum. Okay.
You do wheel repair too for the
No,
wheels?
no.
So that would be aluminum repair.
Aluminum.
Yeah,
Just
for
say soft material repair.
For that you said the door, the different parts for the
Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah, that'll work. So right now I have body repair, PDR, dent repair, soft aluminum repair. What else were you thinking? We got everything good, so I'll be in contact with you. I'll send you a message here in about 5 days with an update. Feel free to send photos. I'll send you a reminder as well. Send as many photos as you would like. Send them over iMessage. I'll get them. We'll get them added to the website.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, sir. Well, sounds good, Douglas. Nice to meet you, man. You have a beautiful shop. Just like that. Signed up for Essential Plan. Told you, easy close, simple. There's no excuses to not be successful in this market. Review it.
Say what?